Hey everyone, this is a folding fire pit that I recently bought from Amazon, and it's a perfect product for camping trips or even for your backyard gatherings. So in this video, I'll talk about its easy to fold design that makes it easy to carry wherever you go, and we will also see how useful it is for cooking apart from just using it as a fire pit. So stick till the very end of this video. So you get this fire pit in this kind of a box, and inside this you have the main carry pouch which contains the fire pit and its accessories. Now I must say that the pouch is of a very good quality and it will definitely last long. So let's see what we have inside and then we'll see how we can assemble this. So the very first thing that we have here is this grill that will sit on top of the fire pit, and its quality looks quite good. And then we have this small grill which is used to hold firewood or coal. And then we have this small plate which will sit at the bottom of the fire pit and it acts like an ash collector. The next item that we have is the main component of this fire pit. So it looks small, but when you expand it, it grows quite huge. And this is what forms the main assembly of the fire pit. So setting this up is quite simple. Here I have the base which is kept on the table, and now I'm just placing the main component on top of it, and you can see that how simply we can just unfold it and keep it on the base. Now after this we can keep the ashtray at the bottom, and then we can place the firewood or charcoal grill on top of it. And now comes the food grill, which looks a bit complicated to assemble, but you just need to hook these side attachments to the fire pit and then it will sit at a height. And you can see that it's flexible enough, so it will take a good amount of load on it. So this is how it looks when it's completely set up, and although it looks a bit flimsy, it's not. It's quite durable and it takes a lot of weight. And from a size comparison, I've kept a bottle besides it so you can make a judgment about the size as well. Now starting a fire is also very simple in this, so I'm just placing a few cardboard pieces at the bottom, and then I'll pile up some leaves and some smaller sticks and then some bigger branches on top, and we can quickly get a fire started. And because of the firewood grill that is at the bottom, the fire starts quickly and it will also grow bigger quickly because there's proper air circulation that's happening from the bottom. And from here on you can use the grill to grill items directly on it, or you can even place a small utensil. Make sure that it takes the weight and then start cooking on this item. So I think it's very useful as a combination of a fire pit and also as a grill. And then after you're done with all the cooking and stuff, cleaning this up is very simple. Just let it cool down and then you can just drop the ash somewhere and quickly fold it back and put it back in the portable case. So folding this is also simple, and you can see that the material is quite good. Even though we had high fire on this, it has absolutely no impact on the material. So build quality wise, I'll give it 10 on 10, and with respect to its compactness, again I would give it 10 on 10. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I would highly recommend this product for anyone who goes outdoors, be it in the car or even if you're going camping. This is a product that is worth buying. So in case if you have any questions about this product, you can leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you again for watching this video. Do give it a like and also subscribe to my channel.